Hi beauties, today I'm gonna show you all natural DIY spa routine. This is going to be relaxing head to toe pamper routine. First, I'm lighting up the candle and setting the spa mood. You can even play some relaxing music and get ready for the home spa. I'm making spa water. It's a infused water. You can add your favorite herbs, veggies and fruits into your water and make a flavored water. I'm pouring some water into the jar and putting in 2 slices of cucumber. Always use fresh veggies because fresh is better. Adding in some mint and tulsi leaves, fresh lemongrass and a slice of lemon. Add a straw, mix it well and sip it. This water smells really good, feels very refreshing and keeps me hydrated throughout this session. Okay, now I'm gonna start hair spa treatment. For this I need oil, slightly warm oil. So I am heating the oil by using double boiler method. By using this method, all the nutrients of the oil remains in it. So this is the best way to warm the oil. Add coconut oil. Add oil according to your hair length. Then add 2 to 3 drops of rosemary essential oil. Combine both and apply it to the root to tip. Give a nice head massage with your fingertips and tie all your hair up in a bun. Coconut oil is a age-old trusted oil which smoothens and strengthens the hair, and rosemary oil thickens and improves hair growth. If you're facing hair fall issues, then just try rosemary oil. It works like a magic. It's time to take steam. I'm using electric steamer. It's called as thermal head spa cap. If you're frequently doing hair spa treatments, then this is very useful. I bought this from Amazon. It has 2 temperature adjustments and the cap is detachable. After the treatment, you can remove the cap, wash the oil or cream residues and fix it back. It is very helpful, so I'm showing it to you. You can even wrap hot towel around your head and take steam for 10 minutes. Steam gives moisture back to our hair oil goes deeper and our hair becomes soft and healthy. After steaming, allow the hair oil to sit for 1 to 2 hours. Then wash your hair with normal water. Let's move on to our face. First step is to cleanse the skin. I'm making DIY cleanser. In a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of gram flour, 3 teaspoons of milk. Mix it till you get smooth creamy paste. Now I will apply this evenly on my face and gently massage it in a small circular motion. After 1 minute of good massage, I will wash it off with normal water. After using this cleanser, my face instantly looks brighter. I really love using besan on my face. It just makes my skin amazing. Next, I am taking steam for my face. You can either use electric steamer or hot water steam. I'm using electric one. Steam your face for 1 to 2 minutes. Steam just opens up the pores, deeply cleanses those pores, and our next face treatment, which is face pack, goes deeper into the skin. After steaming, if you want to use extraction tools, then use it or just move on to our next step. For the face pack, I am taking sandalwood stick and a board. I am extracting sandalwood paste here. If you don't have this, then just use sandalwood powder. Spray some rose water onto the board. add few strands of saffron and start rolling the stick. You will get this pure sandalwood paste. Just apply it on your face and neck. Sandalwood quickly dries out, so leave this face pack for 10 to 15 minutes. That's more than enough. Then wash it off with normal water. Sandalwood keeps the acne away, calms the skin, whereas saffron brightens the skin and gives instant glow, and rose water feels fresh and its aroma uplifts the mood. Now I am going to dry brush my body. Dry brushing is a Ayurvedic remedy for glowing skin. This is how the dry brush looks like. Always dry brush before taking shower. Apply slightly firm pressure. Start at the sole of your feet. Brush your skin towards your heart. And also remember, move in a long circular motion. Dry brushing has many benefits. It reduces toxins and cellulites, stimulates lymph flowing, exfoliates and detoxifies the skin, and plumps our skin. After that, I am making lip and body scrub. I am taking 4 teaspoons of sugar. I am using powdered sugar. If you have brown sugar, then use it. That's the best one. I am using white sugar. Add around 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. Mix it well and the scrub is ready to be used. I am taking some scrub on my fingers and applying it on my lips, and gently I am massaging it, scrubbing away all the dead skin cells. This scrub will make your lips softer and smoother. After a minute, wipe it off with a tissue paper. If you don't have dry brush, then use this scrub to exfoliate your body. Suppose you are using dry brush, then skip this step. After scrubbing, take a warm water shower. With this, our spa is completed. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay safe. Bye.